6:27 right now. It is that time of year again. Yes, when many people let their tax return information sit on the corner of the desk somewhere while they procrastinate on when or how to get started filling it all out.
But there are many options out there, and they're available for you, and a lot of them are free. Joining us now live this morning in studio, like she does every Thursday, is our money and time-saving expert, Denise Winston.
I think we can hear a big collective help out there.
I know, it can be scary. Filing your taxes, it's intimidating. So sometimes, and it can be costly.
Right. Well, you know, I think it's especially for myself. And when I get them in the mail, it's like, oh, I got that. Like you're waiting for it to get to you, the information. Like, oh, thank goodness. Then you kind of let it sit there for a second, going.
Great.
And the pile grows, and you just know all
something else
you're like
now,
me, you leave one over there, and you're like, where's the other one I needed?
So you're going to cover all that.
We are going to cover that.
Very good.
It's interesting because the IRS tells us that up to 70% of Americans qualify for having their taxes filing done for free.
Oh, really?
Yes, 60% of Americans will be paying a tax professional. And in this economic time, we really need to think about this and make sure we know what our options are and get ourselves organized.
Okay.
So the first thing you want to do is definitely get yourself organized and reduce your stress. And it's great, depending if you're going to do itemized or your straight form. So if you have a lot of tax deductions, you want to make sure that you get yourself organized in an expandable file. One for wages, one for tax deductions, all of that can go in here, and it's important because if you do opt for a tax professional, when you go to see them, you can pick it up and carry it with you, and if you hit the brakes in your car, everything doesn't go in your floorboard.
My file cabinet at home is not very good at traveling.
So this works very well.
Yeah, actually would.
But what you can do to find out whether or not you qualify for the free tax filing is go to irs.gov and ca.gov and simply type in free tax help.
Okay.
Lots of options will pop up and you'll be able to find out whether or not you qualify. Second thing you can do is you can utilize some tax filing software. TurboTax, something like that. They run only $30 and up. You can do this in the privacy of your own home. Schedule an appointment with yourself. Make sure you get this stuff done.
Yeah.
And the last one is really utilizing a tax professional that has been licensed by the IRS.
Okay.
And fees are all over the place, from $30 on up, depending on how complicated your tax situation is.
Right.
So really, to break it down, you need to make sure you schedule an appointment, you decide how you're going to file your taxes, and you get yourself organized.
Yeah.
And I think I might have you leave that one here with me.
This one works very, very well, I must say. And then you can store it that way. You must keep your taxes for several years, so
Yes.
Right.
works very well.
There you go.
Especially if you're self-employed. That one works really good, trust me.
All right. Denise Winston, thank you as always.
Thanks.
All right. It is